is the Shasta County Sheriff's Office with a mandatory evacuation order due to the bonfire in the Mountain Gate area. All roads east of Interstate 5, north of Old Oregon Trail all the way north to Shasta Lake must evacuate immediately. A temporary collection point for evacuees will be in the city of Redding at the Church of the Nazarene located at 2225 Bechelli Lane. Please take medications. City of Redding at the Church of the Nazarene located at 2225 Bechelli Lane. Please take medications, documents, and pets with you.
And so it begins once again.